Hello guys, всем привет! Welcome back to Cafe Russian, and today I want to announce something really cool and really interesting that is going to start next week. If you ever wanted, guys, to make Russian a part of your everyday life and everyday activity, but never knew how to do it, I think that will be interesting for you. I think it's not a secret for many of you guys. If you want to learn a new language, the best way and the most natural way how to do it is to make it a part of your everyday activity in the most interesting and creative and unusual way. But it's not always clear how exactly to do it. And my new 2 weeks project is created and dedicated exactly for this purpose. That's called Russian Marathon, and that will go for 2 weeks, starting November 20th, that is Saturday next week. For a group of people, and the amount is limited, 20 people max, I will create a WhatsApp group where we will come together, and every day you will receive a unique task that you will need to make in Russian. Some tasks would be very simple, very basic. I think we will start with simple tasks. For example, one of the tasks might be something каким ты был, была в школе. So what type of person were you at school? Каким ты был or была в школе? И почему? And why? And your task would be in Russian, that in your level of Russian, to describe yourself, what person were you at school, what were you like, what did you enjoy, what didn't, what were you doing, something around 5 or 6 sentences. Remember that their main idea of all this marathon, not to be perfect with your Russian, but to make it a part of your everyday activity and practice all the things you already know and increase their vocabulary. But with every task, I will give you a very structured explanation how to do it. And that's only an example of one task. Another task, an example of another task might be «Сделай фото того, что тебя радует». Make a photo of something that brings you joy. «Сделай фото того, что тебя радует, и объясни почему, and explain why. So we will share photos of things we like and explain why in Russian, of course. Another task may be to make a phone call on Skype with one of the participants, and I will join you in group, guys. I will tell you with who you need to make a phone call. You will find time that's convenient for both of you. I will give you a list of questions you will need to discuss with each other in the Russian of your level. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. The idea of this marathon is to use Russian every day, get something new every day, to see that you don't need to be perfect in order to be understood and in order to have a communication with people around the world in Russian. And every day I will check your results of the tasks and I will comment them and I will give you my reviews. If any corrections are necessary, I will correct it as well. Plus, every day, every person, every participant will need to make a question to one of their answers in the chat. For example, let's say a task for today was to describe yourself at school in Russian. So you will see a person who wrote something like «В школе я была общительной». I was very talkative, was very open-minded at school. And you can make a question «Сколько друзей у тебя было?» and «How many friends did you have?» And of course the person will need to answer you in Russian. So in this way, we'll have, for 2 weeks, we'll have a very friendly community of people who constantly have communication with each other, who are asking each other something in Russian and answering. And every time you have a question and don't know maybe what to express, how to express in a simple way things you want to express, I will be there to help you. And if you need my reviews, and I will give you the reviews to every answer you have, you will get my support for all these 2 weeks 24/7. And at the end of this marathon, we will have a live meeting with all the participants where we will practice some Russian together, where we will share all new things we have learned, and where you will be able to ask me live any questions you have about Russian language, Russian culture, and anything in general. So the whole event is created for you to make Russian a part of your everyday life, to find some friends who are also interested in Russian language, and to make these habits and to get this feeling that you already can speak Russian and have communication with people in maybe very basic, but still you can do it, you can communicate with people in Russian. So guys, the whole event costs $25, 2 weeks event. Every day you will get a task on WhatsApp. Tasks would be absolutely different, and you will have my support during the whole marathon, and other participants will be constantly asking each other some questions and answering them in Russian. So it will be very deep immersion into Russian language for 2 weeks. And remember that the amount of the participants are limited. I want to be able to answer all the participants and help you guys with everything I can. So unfortunately, we can't host a lot of people at the same time, but 20 people max, and 5 places are already taken by my patrons. So guys, you have 15 places to join. I will be super happy to see all of you. We are starting November 20th, and basically everything you need is WhatsApp for joining this event. Alright guys, so if you would like to participate or if you have any questions about this event, please let me know. I will leave my contact in the description of this video and hope to see you soon. Пока-пока!